AMD's high-end Navi for X RDNA 4 GPUs reportedly featured 9 shader engines, 50% more than top Navi 31 or RDNA 3 or GPU. AMD's high-end Navi for X GPUs featuring the RDNA for graphics architecture were reportedly going to feature 50% more shader engines than Navi 31 or RDNA 3 chips. AMD's cancelled RDNA 4 and Navi for X GPUs would have featured 50% more shader engines than RDNA 4 and Navi 31 chips. New patches regarding AMD's GFX 12, spotted by Kepler_L2, seem to point out some significant upgrades on what could have been a true successor to AMD's flagship RDNA 3 GPU called Navi 31. According to the patches, AMD's GFX 12 family, which is the code name for the RDNA for GPU lineup, was reportedly going to feature up to 9 shader engines on the top Navi for X or Navi for C SKU. These GPUs would have marked a 50% uplift in shader engines count over the Navi 31 chip, which comes with 6 shader engines. AMD made 2 split configurations within its RDNA 3 GPU lineup, with Navi 31 featuring a total of 16 compute units, dual compute units per WGP, per shader engine for a total of 96 compute units, while the Navi 32 GPUs offered a total of 20 compute units, dual compute units per WGP, per shader engine for a total of 64 compute units. Now it is not known if RDNA 4 would have followed the same shader engine configuration as Navi 31, Navi 32, or gone a completely different route, but it is reported by Anna Tech Forum member, Adrock_Thurston, that the actual compute units were over 200 for the top Navi for the RDNA 4 GPU die. The GPU was meant to feature 3 GCDs, each with 3 shader engines, marking a true shift to chiplets for consumer-grade gaming GPUs. Following is what the configurations would have been using Navi 31 and Navi 32 designs. Navi 41 with Navi 31 configuration, 9 shader engines, 16 compute units, 144 cores. Navi 41 with Navi 32 configuration, 9 shader engines, 20 compute units, 180 cores. Navi 41 with 200 plus compute units, 9 shader engines, 24 compute units, 216 cores. These are just theoretical configurations that can come up with, but if true, then it looks like AMD was working on a high-end chip that could have offered real enthusiast-grade performance and capabilities, but it looks like the Red Team can plans for such a design due to reasons which we may never know. It could be due to design complications, yields, or even cost, but we can't say for sure. Renders based on the rumored die configuration of the Navi for X, Navi 4C, chiplet GPU were also showcased in previous reports. These show what a possible high-end RDNA for GPU with multiple GCD chiplets would have looked like. It is also reported that AMD's Navi 48 GPU is expected to feature 4 shader engines, same as Navi 32, while Navi 44 will feature 2 shader engines, same as Navi 33. These 2 GPUs are identified as the GFX 1200 and GFX 1201 IPs already. Once again, we don't know the exact WGP-CU configuration per SE that AMD might opt for with its last remaining RDNA for GPUs, but previous rumors have made some interesting claims in regards to their performance. You can read more on that here.